Washington for the final round. 6 laps, 10 laps, 8 laps. I can't see. Billy the intern needs to learn that his fingers are not long enough. For those of you looking for the leader currently in the blue sweatshirt and the light blue helmet, he's on the red helmet. He's in his final lap.
They're like, come on, come on, come on.
All right, we got a winner. Having a big round of applause for the professional amateurs. Professional amateurs there on the mini bikes, a lot of fun.